The human eye was never meant to see this. We have pierced the fabric of reality and peered into the forbidden zones of the universe, hidden in dust for 13 billion years. What you're about to see are not just beautiful images. These are 46 living worlds where gods are born and entire empires die. Are you ready to discover what truly happens where the light ends? Let's begin. To the heart of the phantom galaxy lies what scientists call perfect chaos. What if this flawless spiral is the work of a higher intelligence, arranging stars in a precise order? These pillars are not just dust, they are incubators for worlds. Viewing them in composite light reveals thousands of stellar embryos. Who knows how many inhabited systems will be born here in millions of years? Look at these jets, cosmic surgery in action. Newborn giants pierce space with streams of energy. Could these be signals exchanged between emerging civilizations? Jupiter no longer looks familiar. Its auroras are massive energy storms. Beneath them, in oceans of liquid hydrogen, the most bizarre life in our solar system might be hiding. In this spiral, we see the entire cycle of existence, from birth to explosion. What if galaxies are living organisms, and stars are cells passing information from the past to the future? We've peered into Sagittarius B2, a giant cloud full of alcohol and sugar. It's literally the kitchen of the cosmos. Could this be where the chemical codes for future biological life are formed? This dust disk around a young star is a blueprint for a future planetary system. We are watching the birth of a new world. But what if man-made satellites are already hiding within this dust? The fiery jets of Herbig-Haro are the fury of a newborn star. These gas streams move at hundreds of kilometers per second, pure, primal energy carving out space for life. A close look at our neighbor reveals millions of suns. In such crowded space, the chance of civilizations meeting is nearly 100%. We aren't just seeing stars, we see the metropolises of the future. In mid-infrared light, the Sombrero galaxy turns into a glowing ring. It's an impenetrable fortress hiding a supermassive black hole at its center, whose gaze is hidden behind its dust belt. Two galaxies pass through each other like ghosts. It's the ultimate cosmic accident. Gravity tears away entire stellar arms. Will anyone survive this global chaos? This galaxy is home to Cepheids, pulsating cosmic beacons. Their blinking tells us how vast the universe is. But what if their rhythm is a coded message from the very first civilization? True chaos in the NGC 604 Nebula. Hundreds of massive stars are born here. It's an energy cauldron brewing the elements that will one day build cities on other planets. A cosmic feast for the eyes. Dust, gas, and light weave into patterns that seem designed. Looking at this, you begin to believe the universe has its own designer, using stars as paint. A clash of titans. Two galaxies merge into one, creating monstrous pressure at the center. Here, black holes begin their final dance, ending in a massive gravitational explosion. Cosmic hourglass. At the center is a sun embryo, only 100,000 years old. We are seeing the past of our own system. Right now, the first shore and the first sky are forming there. The Tarantula Nebula is the most violent star-forming region. Stars here are so massive, they only live a few million years. A brilliant but deadly firework in the depths of space. Spiral Galaxy M83, Hundreds of supernova remnants hide in its arms. It's a stellar graveyard and a forge for the future. Every explosion here gives life a chance to be born. Cosmic cliffs, the edge of a giant gas cavity carved by stellar radiation. Behind these cliffs, entire worlds might hide, never seeing the outer cosmos. A star's dying breath. The southern ring is an expanding shell of gas. Perhaps within this cocoon lie the remnants of planets where life once flourished, now turned to dust. In mid-infrared light, galaxy NGC 1433 reveals its skeleton. These dust filaments feed the central black hole. Could these be transport arteries for something much larger? Barred spiral galaxy NGC 1365. Gas flows plunge into the center at immense speed. It's a true cosmic funnel. What kind of monster lives in the middle, forcing a whole galaxy to feed it? The ghostly flower of the NGC 6072 Nebula. Carbon and oxygen cast into space. These are the same elements that make up you and me. We are looking at our distant ancestors. A starburst shines in infrared. The galaxy literally glows with the fury of star birth. At this rate, it could burn all its fuel in a few million years. A mad race for life. Dwarf galaxy NGC 4449 looks like a scattering of gems. Monster stars are born in its chaos. Right now, planets made entirely of metals could be forming there. The Cigar Galaxy, in longer wavelengths. Red gas plumes stretch for thousands of light years. An echo of an ancient explosion. Or perhaps the exhaust of a colossal engine in the core. The skeletal arms of NGC 7496. Infrared light exposes dust labyrinths. In these dark corridors, intermediate mass black holes, about which we know almost nothing, could be hiding. Another look at the cigar, but now we see the stars themselves. Their density in the center is off the charts. In such a world, the night sky on planets would be brighter than our day. Eternal light and radiation. A classic view from Hubble. NGC 2566 reminds us how beautiful space is in visible light. But behind this beauty, Webb sees hidden mechanisms Hubble could never detect. A flaky disk around a distant star. Chaos from which order is born. Right now, these dust flakes are colliding, turning into rocks, and then into worlds where intelligence will one day arise. The same dwarf galaxy, in mid-IR, now we see heat. These golden filaments are radiation heating the dust, the thermal heart of a small cosmic monster. Phantom Galaxy IC 5332. Its arms appear transparent, an ideal place to search for Dyson spheres, megastructures civilizations might build to harvest stellar energy. Another version of the Phantom Galaxy. Webb sees through gas and dust. We see the skeleton of creation. What if this pattern is a code embedded in the very structure of our universe? A textbook barred spiral, NGC 1300. Stars move along strict dust tracks. It looks like a giant cosmic circuit board. Could this be a massive computer on a planetary scale? The Great Spiral NGC 1365. Its bar is a powerful pump for matter. Millions of tons of gas are falling into the center right now, birthing a supermassive black hole. A triumph of gravity over light. The Red Spider Nebula. At its center is one of the hottest stars in the universe. Its temperature is 50 times higher than our Sun. Right now, it is literally evaporating the surrounding space. The Whirlpool galaxy. It is slowly consuming its neighbor. We see gravitational cannibalism live. What do beings feel on planets whose stars are slowly being pulled into another galaxy? A double ring galaxy. The inner ring glows with newborn stars. It looks like a cosmic target. Could this be a portal through which energy flows from one dimension to another? A close-up of the legendary pillars. We see every swirl of gas. Within these details, probes from ancient races might hide, left millions of years ago to watch the birth of new suns. Dancing galaxies with scientific annotations. These lines are gravity's boundaries. But what if these annotations are borders of influence for different space civilizations in this star war? Hubble captured the echo of a 1054 AD supernova, the Crab Nebula. Inside beats the heart of a pulsar, a perfect clockwork mechanism to synchronize time across the entire galaxy. Sombrero in near IR. The galaxy appears transparent, revealing billions of stars in its halo. We see the true scale of this cosmic island. How many of these stars have their own planets with oceans? A star on the verge of exploding in mid-IR. These dust petals are the substance that will become the foundation for future worlds. We see the cosmic fertilization of the universe with life's building blocks. The same object in visible light, bright, majestic, and terrifying. A Wolf-Rayet star is a cosmic bomb with a lit fuse. When it explodes, it will outshine the entire galaxy for weeks. Another look at the pillars of creation. Infrared light makes the dust transparent. We see the skeleton of these towers, proof that even in the darkest place in space, the light of new life is always hidden. The phantom galaxy across the spectrum, the finale of our journey. We've seen the cosmos like no one before. We are mere specks of dust, but we are the ones who dared to stare into infinity.